If you are somebody that's kind of let your teeth get out of control, you probably know that something should be done there. You probably have some teeth that are hurting and probably just don't really like your smile. Well, we at Caven Dental Group want you to know that there is hope. There is a path to getting true health, comfort, and just really enjoying your smile. You actually have multiple options. You can get the traditional denture, it's been around for a couple hundred years, hasn't changed all that much. So it's the least expensive, but also, as you can maybe imagine, the least desirable. But now with dental implants, we have the ability to take those dentures and lock them onto your jaw. We can use maybe 2 or 4 implants and make a denture that clicks onto the implants like a Lego piece. And then you can take it out at night and clean it and that sort of thing. So that really changes people's lives, and that's an awesome thing to be able to provide. But there's another layer of excellence, which is if we add a couple more implants, we can take your denture and actually screw it into the implant itself. That allows you to have complete and total stability of the denture. And we can make all these things look and feel great. So that's very important. We don't want to make a denture that your best friend says, man, that's a good looking denture. We want your best friend to actually not really say anything about your teeth and ask you if you've lost some weight or changed your hair. That's the goal. We want to make dentures that look authentic. And when we do that, you feel great, you're way more healthy, you can actually chew and enjoy your food. We know that every patient is different. One of the things that we are excellent at Caven Dental Group is finding the solution that best meets your situation. We are totally committed to working with you to find the thing that fits into your budget, your lifestyle, and how much time you want to spend doing the dentistry. So it is key that we have open communication and we find the path that works best for you. And honestly, you can just enjoy your life more. We at Caven Dental Group feel that life is just nicer with a healthy, beautiful smile, and we would love to help you achieve that goal.